I'll show you a method for cleaning jewelry that works better than an ultrasonic cleaner. I'll start by cleaning one of these earrings so you can see the difference. What we need is a toothbrush, some toothpick brushes, and some toothpaste. We'll get the toothbrush wet, start scrubbing everything with a large toothbrush. We'll go through the entire surface. It'll brighten up all the metal. We'll get into all the little nooks and crannies, at least as much as the big brush will get you into. To get into the real tight spots, we'll get in there with that little brush and just scrub everything out. Scrub in every direction that you can. This physical scrubbing works better than an ultrasonic cleaner. Now, it is possible if you want to, you can scrub it out like this and then throw it into an ultrasonic cleaner and you get the best of both worlds. When you see how clean it is with this technique, you may decide not to go with an ultrasonic cleaner. We'll rinse everything off with some water and keep scrubbing with the brush. These are really sparkling now. These are gold-plated sterling silver with cubic zirconia as the stone. When you look at the stone, you can see how sparkly it is compared to the one that has not been cleaned. Here's a close-up of the one that's been cleaned, and we'll take a look at the one that has not been cleaned yet. Quite a difference. We'll use the ultrasonic cleaner now. We'll only clean one of them, that way we can see the difference. We'll use hot water. We'll add in the cleaner, and I've tried all kinds of different cleaners. Turn on the vibration. Let it run through a cycle or two. Now we can compare the two earrings. We'll clean it off. In the ultrasonic, it's nice and shiny when it comes out as well. We'll examine it from the back. We'll check both of them out from the back. Here's the one cleaned by the brushes, and here's the one cleaned by the ultrasonic cleaner. Both of the earrings look good, but I do like the physical scrubbing. And then if you do have an ultrasonic cleaner, you could toss them in there and see what else you get off. Make sure they're as clean as I can. I'll scrub them both up with the brush. Toss them both into the ultrasonic cleaner. Give them a few cycles. Pull these out and rinse them off. An ultrasonic cleaner is pretty handy, but there's definitely alternatives. Definitely a lot cleaner than they were. It's always fun to clean jewelry because it's always a big difference when it's all cleaned up.